To do the installation of the app is very easy. All you have to do when you receive the email is to go a little bit lower. Here you have the links which are appropriate to the device, either Android or Apple. I have an Apple, so I'm going to click here. It's going to open the web browser, which we want to open Apple Store. So Apple Store, I get all the details that I need to be able to get for the applications. I click here, so it's going to install it directly on your device, and I'm going to have it right here. So I click on this. So here I have a choice. Either I'm going to create my own email and password, or I'm going to use Facebook or Google. In my particular case, I will go for Facebook. So it's going to log into Facebook, get only your login names as well as a password, the same that you use. So you don't have to remember another one. So I'm going to click on continue, and there we go. So all the details will appear just right here. And then if I wanted to, I can change the language from French to English, and there we go, everything is in English. So thank you for listening, and then have fun.